Merry Christmas, everybody out there.
Yeah.
Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision.
And we meant to be helping. Our vehicle don't have no engine. We're Fred Flintstone in it, and you're Barney Rubble, and you're all the way over there.
When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Ringo Vision. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision. Ringo Vision.
Push it a bit forward. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. Fucking mate, what are you doing?
Yeah, but that's not gonna.
That'll do.
Adam's gone with some pallets.
Watch this. From me, I've got in on my life where them feel like me no afraid and no hypocrite, no parasite.
Hey.
The Lord is my light and salvation.
On the marathon, in the marathon, be able to go into other places like Gatwick, and also out of London people, yeah.
Jim Hall, bruv.
Told you I'll be here, did I not?
Ah, yes, respect. Yes, brother.
It's filling, it's got proteins, vitamins, carbs, everything you want.
Everything you need.
Everything you need in your body to keep you healthy.
That's it. What we're doing now, putting those spring onion in.
Even they're good for you.
So what we're doing right now, yeah, we're just pre-washing all the vegetables that we're cooking with today as well, making sure that they're all nice and washed down, people, yeah. A good vibe.
Yeah, good people like my man here feeds us, so we're all right.
Yeah?
Yeah, so thank you, brother, yeah?
Thank you, Bill,
Alright,
yeah?
Merry Christmas to you, yeah?
One love.
One love, brother.
One
Bless
love.
up, yeah?
Bless.
Yeah, come in everyone, come in. Yeah, big up yourself people, as you can see, yeah. After the Christmas dinner and after the camp out, what's happening now, because we put the pots on the fire, we have to scrub them down now, people, yeah. And we've got Lucky here, he's also giving a hand as well, helping washing the pots, so good vibes. And then we're just gonna go out into town right now and just basically start cooking up. I think we're gonna cook some curry goat today, you know.
Nice, that sounds good.
Yeah, some curry goat on the menu
Yeah.
today. As you can see the outside of the pot now, yeah, look. It's nice and silver again.
Yeah, I just need to rinse my one down. Look, there we go.
And also as well, everyone, yeah, so what we're gonna do, should we tell everyone what's happening, Leanne?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, so what's happening as well, yeah, where me and Leanne's come together, so we're gonna sort out an overnight for Lucky, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and the day after Christmas, just so that he could be off the streets and get like a nice little environment. We're trying to help as much people out here as we can. Leanne's here with us as well, and she's been a very, very good support. You understand, people, yeah? So, our good vibes, just look out for it. So tomorrow we're going to book Lucky's hotel room for Christmas. Our good vibes.
Thank you. Good
Thank you,
vibe.
guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, everyone, so we're out on the mission. We just want to say thank you to each and everybody that's been supporting us on this journey. As you can see, yeah, this is what we have to go through all the time. We're going into town and we're going to cook. Because of no vehicle and no van, this is the situation, people, yeah. So let's try for 2025, get ourselves some rules, get a van so that we can maybe even do pre-cook and accomplish the mission a bit quicker, more effectively. Like we could even do Croydon, we could do Brixton, we could do certain different areas in one day if we're able to cook and move about and maneuver a lot better, people, yeah. Our good vibes said way. Merry Christmas to everybody watching this video right now. Thank you very, very much. 20k subscribers. We've hit 20k subscribers, people, yeah, so well done to each and every one of you that's been supporting the channel, supporting the movement so far. Our good vibes. We've had a very good year at 24 Hour Kitchen. 2024, we're going into a new season. We're on the marathon, in the marathon, to feed 1 million people. We've done very well so far. Look in the community. I'm going to be doing a tally up people here, let you know how much people we've fed so far, a good vibe. And then for 2025, the mission is ongoing and we'll hopefully be able to go into other places like Jaywood and also out of London people, yeah, a good vibe. That is it from now. From me, from now, next time you see me, I'll cook you, I'll cook. So today, yeah, I've got Adam and Lucky, yeah, that's helping me. If I didn't have them today to be able to help me, it would have been struggling and it would have been peak over Christmas here in this period that we're in right now, people, yeah. And as you can see, quite a few times I'm out here by myself as well, more time, people, yeah, on the mission, you understand, because we have a warrior out, people, yeah, it's not a joke thing. So big up Adam and Lucky for the last few weeks. Lucky's someone that I've been feeding and giving food to, but he's taking it up on himself and be like, "Right, Ringo, I'm not doing nothing. You've been helping me, so I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna help you on the journey as and when I can." So yeah, man, big up to Lucky and big up to Adam, people, yeah. The mission continues. Our good vibes. Yes, people, so we're out with the business today, people, yeah, good vibes. So on the menu, what we've got today, yeah, we've got some curry goat. You think a joke, yeah, choke them, you understand? How them smell them flavors, yeah, and normal, you understand? Alright, we're in the market right now and it's quite busy, people, yeah. Merry Christmas to everybody that's watching right now. It's a festive period, you understand? And a blessed new year when it's forward, said we to you, alright? That is it. Big man, you alright? Yeah. Well, go on, a good vibe. Yeah. Well, go on. Yeah. Now call sample so sitting looking more, see? Now call sample so sitting looking more, yeah? Alright, a good vibe. You there? Yeah. People see much juice, so what's up? You understand? Blue Mountain coffee, everything there. Alright, a good vibe. Yeah, man, the market vibrant today. That is it. Yes, look at the lady. This is the lady that gets all your knittings done, you know, in the market, you know. So look at that. Wow. She make them handmade, isn't it? Yeah, she's amazing with what she's doing, people. Yeah, if you ever come down to the market, yeah, you must come and check her out because she have her things them. That is it. Yeah. A good vibe. Yeah, man, we're in the market. We're in the market, people. Yeah, a good vibe. Merry Christmas to everybody watching right now. Come and get your things, them. Come get your soup, furthermore. You understand? That is it. Man, come to look for Ronnie, you know. Man, like Ronnie's. Ronnie. Somebody's there to see Ronnie. Big man, is Ronnie here? No Ronnie? Alright.
Ringo.
Yes, so what I'm doing right now, we've got yam, we've got potato, what are we looking for? We're looking for some red onion, but they ain't got no red onion, but I'm looking for the peppers, like the fresh peppers, yeah. So I like this bowl of pepper here, I want that. Put that there. Garlic as well. Spring onion. That's it. Good vibes. That is it. This is what we're using today, people, yeah?
curry goat. Need some red and yellow peppers. So yellow pepper, green pepper. That is it. A good vibe. Big up yourself, everybody, yeah? Let's go. Boss man, let me pay you. Yes, people, so we're just giving the pot then. You see I've just washed them down just now, yeah? So we're just giving it a proper rinse down right now. A good vibe. Adam, so what we're doing right now, yeah, we're just pre-washing all the vegetables that we're cooking with today as well, making sure that they're all nice and washed down, people, yeah? A good vibe. Merry Christmas, everybody. We're there, we're outside. That is it. Last stop, people, yeah? Alright, that is it. Boss man, you ready for me? Yeah? Oh, almost? Almost. Alright, a good vibes. Right here, people, yeah, Mr. Meat. That is it, a good vibes. Yes, come on, come have a look in the pot, Adam. Just want to see what's going on right now. Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now, yeah, as you can see what we're going to be doing right now today, yeah, we're cooking a curry goat today, people, something different on the menu, you know. Adam, what do you say, Adam? Something different, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You smell the flavours, yeah?
Loving the curry goat, brother.
Yeah?
You can smell it through the TV.
Smell it through the TV. That is it, people, yeah, we're just going to let the curry goat just go and do its thing, yeah? You understand? For a period of time. Drip that in there so like so. That is it. Let's go, people, yeah? Cover up the curry goat. Let the curry goat just go and do its own thing. You understand? We're here, we're at the market, people. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you that's watching right now. Thank you very much. You understand, people, yeah? You guys have been supporting the channel. We've hit 20,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you guys have been absolutely amazing. But guess what? I have to put on new things on the menu now because there's been a lot of talk and a lot of this and a lot of that. They want to see different things. So today, go. You understand? And other days you're going to see other things, people, yeah? But today is the goat. You understand? Remember, we're using a portable gas cooker, so it's not going to move as fast as it's supposed to be moving, but it's operating said way, people, yeah? A good vibe. Look at the tram passing through. That is it. We're in Croydon, people, yeah? And that is it. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Wow, look at that, people, yeah? So you don't know what I'm going today. It's the curry goat that we've got on the menu today, people, yeah? Right, yeah, so in Croydon, you know? Yeah, man, goat curry, people. Some people call it goat curry, but the authentic name for this year is curry goat. And you understand, we're going to put some ginger in, and we're going to put some seasoning in the pot from early, which is some thyme, you understand, some scallion, and some ginger, and some garlic, and just let it go and do its own thing, people, yeah? Big up yourself. Let's go and get some thyme right now because we need the thyme, because the thyme are the essence, people, yeah? All right, one love to each other. Can I get a piece of thyme, please, then? And some rosemary. Can I get some thyme and rosemary, please? Because I'm cooking curry goat today. I need some rosemary. You understand? Yeah.
Can you take this one, please?
Yes, everyone. So look, so let me come in and have a look in the pot. Let me say, whoa. So what I'm doing right now, yeah, is just adding some garlic. You understand? So we have to add the flavors into the pot right now, everybody, yeah. You can't do this without the garlic, people, yeah. Some natural flavors. The garlic's also an antibiotic as well. You understand? Build up your immune system at the same time. We're gonna also put some thyme in the pot as well. Some more garlic. We'll put in quite a bit of garlic for the pot to go on stew. Some ginger. Yes, one love to each and every one of you that's watching, people here. So good vibes right now. We're doing the curry goat. You understand? Traditional Jamaican curry goat that we're doing right now, people here. This one's a one pot stew. So this one's gonna more or less have everything inside of it, all in one go. I'm gonna give the pot a little stir. You understand? So that you guys can see what I've done. What I'm adding here as well. Look at this. This is some rosemary. Enhance the flavors in there. You understand? I'm not gonna add any onions or any peppers right now. I'll do that later on down, because you know that curry goat takes quite some time to cook. So this is gonna be on the fire for about at least 45 minutes to an hour, marinating in the natural flavors that I'm adding to it. And then later on we'll add some onions, some peppers, and you understand, some other ingredients. Good vibes. We'll add some more thyme, some more rosemary. And this is some scallion. We'll chop some scallions in there like this. And this is just gonna melt away into the goat, people, yeah? Just enhance some flavors. So have a look in the pot right now, how the pot's looking. So you can see that we're just putting in the scallion. It's got all the rest of the ingredients in there. And as you can notice, the colors that are in the pot right now, everything that I'm using in the pot is green. More or less green and white, people, yeah? And later on we're gonna enhance the pot with some natural colors as well, people, yeah? That's gonna bring out the vibrance and the flavors and let's go ahead. Wow. Look at that. All we've got in the pot right now, let's just mix that thyme, that rosemary. Let's get it all mixed in nicely. And that is it, everybody, yeah? And we're just gonna let that just go on and steam down for about an hour. A good vibes. Today, yeah, the weather is not as cold, but it's very cold outside, people, yeah, but it's a good vibes, nice festive period here in London with our Croydon people, yeah. You understand? The kitchen's out, everything I'll bubble up right now, you understand? I'll show you what I want in the pot. I just had to drop a Scotch bonnet, a bonnet in the pot. But you understand, I'm just gonna keep the pot locked down right now, yeah, because guess what? This thing here ain't no joke thing. It takes some time to stew down and get really softened, and you understand that goat is just sliding off the bone, people, yeah. Alright, big up yourself. I see you guys again in a little while. We might just take a little walk through town and show you what I go on in town, said way. You understand, people, yeah? The market's very, very, very busy here. I could imagine that people are getting the last little bits and bobs, people that want to get things out the way from now. You understand, people, yeah? As you can see, the market's very vibrant right now. Our good vibes.
Now then, can't I?
Sue.
Hang on.
No, wait, hang on, Sue. Just tell everybody Merry Christmas, please.
Merry Christmas, everybody out there.
Yeah?
Come and support Ringo
That is it.
and give him plenty of donations.
Adam, tell everyone Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you all. Keep up the good work, keep following, subscribe, tap the likes, keep it going. Come on, keep them going.
Good vibes.
Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you have a great day and good vibes, yeah?
Alright, everyone, so what I'm doing here, I'm just starting to add some things into the pot right now. So some carrots, some peppers are gonna go in, and then I'll just slowly start to add the rest of the ingredients in there slowly, people, yeah, like the potatoes is the heavy ingredients that I'm gonna put in later on. But until then, let me just add some carrots and add some potatoes, are good vibes. Alright, everyone here, so look, slapping some peppers, you understand? Quickly. So, yeah man, the goat's been on fire now for like over an hour, people, yeah, just marinating, even though like this is like a very slow process with the with this gas burner that we're using. But it's kind of like working quite good today. What do you think, Adam?
It's going good. It's going quicker than usual. It's not too much of a bad day today. Not too much wind.
Not too much wind, that's it.
Yeah, it's keeping it good.
Keeping it good. So yellow. Green. Get the colours going in now, everybody, yeah? So we've got we've got some carrot in there. We've got ginger and garlic, rosemary and thyme from earlier on, just cooking in and marinating. And then we've got a special look at ingredients that we're gonna add later on as well. A little bit after this as well, people, yeah? Are good vibes. So we've got yellow, we've got green. Now let's deal with the red, people, yeah? That is it. Sue, Sue, how you been getting on? Because obviously you're not homeless no more. Like you're off the streets now.
Yeah.
So tell everyone how it's been.
It's been good.
It's been good.
Yeah, I've been laughing every day.
Yeah.
Can't you tell I'm smiling now?
No, good vibes.
No, it's really good. Really good. I'm enjoying myself. Helping.
So tell us about the transformation.
It's very big. I was very down. I was crying nearly every day. And since I've been with this person, I've laughed every day. Done a lot of laughing, looking after him.
And how long was you homeless for?
Oh, about 7 or 8 weeks, which isn't very long, but I know, but it's long enough when you're of an age, a certain age, and the lady never gives her true age away.
Yeah.
And now I'm happy.
Good stuff.
Yeah, good stuff.
Alright, so big up to Sue, people, yeah. As you can see that she's got somewhere to stay now. She's no longer underneath the shop pays her and sitting down outside West Croydon on London Road.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I used to say. Well, that's where I first met you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You just walked up to me with your two mates and said, can I interview you
Yeah,
about being homeless? And I said, yeah. And that's where Ringo and I first met.
that's it.
And I told him my story, and he listened, filmed it, and now I'm happy.
That's it, people, yeah. A good vibes.
Yeah.
And Sue, what I'm doing now, look, as you can look in the pot, have a look in the pot and you can see what's happening right now, yeah.
Chopping up the old green peppers.
Yep, array of colours is going on
Yeah.
inside of the pot right now.
Yeah, the old Jamaican colours.
Yeah, getting that transformation going and a good vibes, everybody, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You know,
It's all good for filling stuff. It's all healthy. There's nothing in there that is not healthy. It's filling. It's got proteins, vitamins, carbs, everything you want.
everything you need.
Everything you need in your body to keep you healthy.
That's it. What we're doing now, putting those spring onion in.
Even they're good for you. And it's got loads of vitamins in that, and protein, carbs, which keep you warm. Know a little bit about food.
Alright, everyone, come in the pot and have a look. Come and have a look in the pot and see what's happening. Look at that. Wow. All them colours there now. Curry goat is coming on, people, yeah? Nicely.
That is smelling really nice now.
There's something in what's with it.
That is really nice now.
I don't know if you've got a phone. If you have a phone, we can show you. Well, we'll show you everything.
Everything right?
Mine was doing that as well. I think it was the network at the time. What network?
Making some curry goat, you sticking around for dinner?
Yeah.
Stripping some more garlic.
Oh, something about.
Alright, so what I'm doing quickly here, just add some garlic in the pot.
Well, apparently I've never seen it, but I've seen the video. Yeah, see, Joe. No, it's just people that are learning their
Curry goat. With some rosemary and some thyme.
No, you can't. You have to give it.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, because they were kind of mouthwash.
Come and have a look.
It's like coconut milk.
Yeah. So what I've just done is just added some coconut cream to the goat. Look at that. Look at the transformation of the colour and everything. Just quickly, just.
Oh, the smell.
Good vibe.
Good vibe. Looking beautiful as always.
Yes, people, everybody just out here, so just have a Merry Christmas, said we, and I have a good vibe, said we. Yeah, man, look at the people them there, so I gather around, you understand, the kitchen just over there, so you understand, just a cook off the food, you understand, people, yeah? Yeah, man, good vibes, that is it. Yeah, man. Mama, give me something for people them.
Well, this is original Mama C, yeah? And believe in me, I am never afraid yet. Because guess what? I've got the most eye that protecting me. Watch this.
That is it.
The only man that ever loves me is the man of Galilee. And the only man that ever taught me, he ever taught me right from wrong. He always there to guide my hand. He always there to make me strong. And the only man that ever loves me is the man of Galilee. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Watch this. From me, I've got in on my life where them feel like me no afraid, I'm no hypocrite, no parasite.
Hey.
The Lord is my light and salvation. I in me praise, me no praise man Satan. Father God, you me love, you me like, you me praise all the time, Lord. From me laughing at my heart, say me love my God. Now leave out my God. Him a my light and my salvation. Now leave out my God. Him a my strength and the energy I have. Now leave out my God. Father God, you love me, and you will guide me, and you protect me from the enemy. Father God, you make me strong when I am weak, man. So me not afraid of Goliath and Satan. Father God, you me love, you me like, you me praise all the time. Wow, God. One more see.
That is it. A good vibe, a good vibe.
Yes?
Yeah. It's a hard day at work, the people them at the market. I no soup today. No. A goat there today. Curry goat. Pan fire. Yeah, that's a go on, man. Eh? Right over there, so curry goat to deal with. Yeah, man. Eh? Right up front, right up front. The right at front time market, yeah, man, and some curry goat to go on people here. The market's on the pack up as well and the close up said way. But yeah, man, let me show you what I go on. One at the distance, that's what you used to say. Yeah, man, the food, look at the smoke just coming. The smoke just coming from the
That's
The pot there are good vibes. Yeah man, we're outside Sedway. Whoa, that is it. Are good vibes everybody. So yeah man, the goat just a go on stew down right now. Flavors just a go on sinking. People, so I just want to say thank you to everybody, and I just want to wish everybody a festive period and a festive season that we're in right now, and I hope you guys eat up and drink up and have a very good time, people. Yeah, we're just out here with the kitchen Sedway, you understand? It's been a very good year. I just want to thank you guys, you understand, for supporting 24-hour kitchen, for supporting the movement, you understand? We're still on the marathon, we're still here on the mission, people, yeah, to feed 1 million people. The GoFundMe has been very successful thanks to you guys, you understand? You guys have been supporting it, you guys have been adding to the donation, people, yeah. It's aided us to continue on the mission, to do things like the Christmas dinner, to travel out of the area of Croydon and going to places like Jaywick, you understand? We've got some gifts and things like that as well, and a lot more things that we've been able to do with that as well, people, yeah. So thank you very much, you understand? And also a very big thank you. Look, we've accomplished 20,000 subscribers, people, yeah. That's absolutely amazing, you understand? On the journey so far this year, the channel was like around 4,000, 5,000, and then it just started to just move and grow, you understand? And I just want to thank each and every one of you that's been on the journey with us. Good vibes. Let me get back to the kitchen, people, yeah? That is it. What's going on here? What one?
Hello.
You alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Live.
Alright.
You got me, didn't you?
Huh?
How have you been, alright?
Yeah, I've been alright, man. How you been?
Not too bad.
Good vibes. So look,
Yeah.
I got some good curry
Well,
goat.
what are you doing today, mate, anyway?
Curry goat.
Oh, God, it smells banging. It does.
Yeah.
But I will say hello, Mum, you alright? Yeah, because I know she's watching.
Yeah.
She does, yeah, to keep an eye on me, innit? So it's good what you do, brother, innit, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so thank you, innit, yeah? I appreciate you helping us.
So that's
You
it.
know what I mean?
That's it, Mum. You hear that? Bill saying thank you and Merry Christmas.
I am, yeah, and I'm alright. Don't worry about us, innit? Yeah? Good people like my man here feeds us, so we're alright.
Yeah.
Yeah? So thank you, brother, yeah?
Thank you, Bill.
Alright,
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to you, yeah?
One love.
One love, brother.
One
Bless
love.
up, yeah?
Bless.
Cheers, mate.
Love.
Nice one, thank you.
Yeah, yes.
Go on, get out, please.
Wagwan.
Yo.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man, alright, bro.
We're there, people. We're there. Pot the pan fire. We're there. Outside. Something I cook up. People them a tidy up car. Them said in that work today. A good vibes. Yes, everybody. A good vibe. So we reached that final part of the evening. We're just gonna start sharing up the food. Yeah, man. Today on the menu, we've got some curry goat. The ingredients that we use some garlic, some ginger, some rosemary, some scallion. You understand? Scotch bonnet pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. Yeah, man, all the nice stuff, people, here to create that nice aroma that we're looking for today. Let me just get one of these containers, people, yeah, and let's just serve one up so you can see where I go on. Look at that. Yeah, man, sir.
Keep up the good work.
Oh, thank you very much.
Doing God's work.
Thank you.
It smells so nice. See, you're not going hungry.
How's it going, alright?
My brother.
Yeah, all good.
See, yeah, God's not making people go hungry. It provides, and it looks nice as well. You got that true.
First king and clear. You want to get them out of the way, Ringo?
Huh?
Personally, my man here. Right. Numbers. It's you, brother. Sure ain't. Me. Take one and give us. Thank you so much. Bro, sit there. This is hot. No. Okay. Sit down. It's hot.
So what's next one? Huh?
Can you get one of the containers and put it on all of them?
Gravy. More gravy in it.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah? It's not gonna close, it's got gravy. You're gonna eat this one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Very nice, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Especially let me get a container on the stuff.
No, eat that one and give one. No, not yet. Later. Fish, later. Come, let me eat some. Go, eat.
My food bowl is going.
It's a veggie.
It's a curry.
It's halal.
It's halal, yeah. It's halal.
Are you sure?
Yeah, from the butchers. Mr. Meat. From Mr. Meat.
God, my hands are clean, eh? That's because I was this shit from one pub.
Yes, our good vibes. Merry Christmas to everybody that's watching wherever you are in the world, people, yeah? Something different on the menu today. Yeah, man, some goat. Some goat on the menu today, people, yeah? Our good vibes.
A lot of Irish in there, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. You're welcome.
On the hands, but
Wherever you're watching from, people, yeah? Just, yeah, man, share the video. And I hope you guys have been enjoying the journey wherever you're watching from, you understand? One love every time, people, yeah? The mission must continue. And look at this.
Jim Hall, bro.
Habis saya pergi tak apa?
Told you I'd be here, did I not?
Ah, yes, respect.
Yes, brother. How's it
You
going?
alright, boys? You okay?
B-man.
You're here.
Told you I'd come through,
Good
didn't I?
vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good
You're
vibes.
okay though, yeah?
Yeah, man. Good.
I was just going to shoot through though.
How's the food, brother?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Amazing.
Good vibes.
Yeah, very nice.
Good vibes. Look at that, everyone, yeah? That is it. You like? Nice? Okay.
Yes, yes.
He doesn't speak English, but good. It's good. It's nice?
I just hit one nice stick of ginger as well.
Oh, you got a piece of ginger?
Yeah.
yeah. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Yes. Yeah. One love, yeah? See, we've run out. We've only got water left in the pot. I told you you shouldn't have gone nowhere.
Where are we shopping?
Don't know why you left for. We've only got water left in the pot.
Try and put as much meat in there as possible.
Huh? What you say? I beg your pardon? You better go and get me a cow. You better go and get me a goat and come back.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. That's why I need a goat, you know. For real, you know. Yeah. Listen, it's true, you know. But back home, yeah.
Yeah.
It was my birthday, innit?
Yeah.
So we had goat for my birthday. You know what I'm saying?
And they give you a whole goat.
Yeah.
Let me see that one.
Yeah, I had a whole goat for my birthday.
Yes.
Because in Jamaica, I had my birthday in Jamaica. And I had a whole goat for my birthday.
Nice.
They just deal with it.
Yeah, they just deal with it. Yeah.
So you get curry goat, you get
tribe. You know, you get tribe.
Manish water.
Manish water. Yeah, that's right. The word manish water. Yeah.
Oh, crazy hot.
Yeah, I know. Put it in the bag.
Who's that?
Yes.
Yes, Ken. Yes. And this is for you to eat for now, yeah?
No, I'm taking it back because.
See,
I need that for now. Yes,
you're not eating with us no more, yes, you.
Well, I've got to get home. I've got to get Kerry's back to him.
Huh?
Yeah, I've got to get the lordships back to him.
The lordship, you know?
Yeah, his lordship. I've got to sort him out. He'll be moaning at me.
It won't, man. Once you go right, get
Terence
some
knows
food in the
it's
belly.
alright.
Once you get some food in the belly, you'll be alright.
One for Terence.
Merry Christmas, Sue.
And you, Bingo.
Yeah?
Yeah, have a really good one.
Alright, a good vibes.
I'll phone you up on Christmas Day and wish you happy Christmas, alright? Now I've got your number.
Yeah. Yes, everybody, it's been an amazing day today. So look, just a little recap here. Look, the journey is a must, people, yeah, and we're going into a new season, people, yeah. And I just want to thank each and every one of you that's been on the journey. I know I've been saying it, but you know what it is, yeah? I'm just so overwhelmed by just what's been going on outside and also the feeling that I'm getting inside as well, people, yeah? You guys, some of you guys are near and some of you guys are far. I appreciate every single one of you that's been supporting, that's been commenting, that's been sending through donations, that's been coming out and handing out physical things that we're using to prepare for food, utensils. Do you understand? You guys have helped the journey to become more smoothly and help it to just like continue. And that's the main thing. You guys have helped this journey that we're on to continue to go on to a next day and a next day and give it a lot of hope to just know that 1 million people and we're gonna do it. Yes, we will, people, yeah. A good vibe. So we're here, the market's closed up. You understand? And then we just got a little bit, look, let me show you, look, we've got a tiny little bit of curry goat left in the pot. We've still got the pot on as well. We've got a tiny little bit of goat there left in the pot, people, yeah? A good vibe. You want some food, brother? You want some food? Look, just like that, like, as I said, look, bust the container quickly. bread?
Yeah. Cheers.
No, you're welcome.
Listen, Foodie. Cheers.
Good vibe. Yes, yeah?
Enjoy, man.
Yeah, love it. Yes, as I was saying, everyone, yeah, so we've got a tiny bit of tiny bit of goat left in the pot, people, yeah, look, we still got Adam, you want this?
I'll have it soon, brother. Not quite just yet.
That's his pudding.
That's going to be the dessert.
Yeah, good vibe. So, yeah, man, we're on the mission, people, yeah. Journey continues, and we're there, we're outside, it's freezing cold. Ice. My toes, I've got 3 pairs of socks on today, yeah, and it's not even working. I've got 3 pairs. I've got a thermal and 2 backups. Yeah, it's actually not. So I've got the normal pair of socks on, then thermal, then another pair of socks, yeah. It's not working.
Can't make it off at home, like.
It's not working. And is it working? No. See, it's not working. It's not working. Look.
Everything else is.
Huh?
Everything else.
Yeah, the bottom.
Everything,
legs are working, but
nose.
When I've got my hands out my pocket and put it back in, the clothes is cold. The clothing.
I felt for you when you were prepping.
No, the clothes is cold. Every time I had to dip my hand into the water, and yeah, it's a wind up. But I've done that part now.
Good air.
Almost completed, and it's been a good day, people, yeah? So yeah, man, we're just gonna hand out the rest. Look, what it is, yeah, I actually wanted to go up into West Croydon and go up on the high street today with the food people, yeah? But it's kind of like everybody just turned up here, so I don't want to just go up there just now and just give out that. There's about 4 or 5 plates left. Yeah, we're just gonna chill out here. Hurricane. Wagwan, I good vibes. Yeah, man, I good vibes. Yeah. Oh, look, there we go. Scotty.
Scotty.
My brother Jay-Z.
Yes, brother. Scotty.
My boy. Yeah, I can see you playing.
Fun.
There we go.
Oh, do you want some curry, guys?
You sure?
Yeah.
Leave me hanging, man. How's it going? Oh, good, man.
Yeah, sure.
Enough of all, man.
I want some curry, but
My boy.
Yeah.
Nice hair.
That's your boy.
My boy.
That's a good boy. How are you, young man?
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Nice one.
Love.
I said curry good today.
Curry good today.
And with what? With bread.
Bread. Good vibes, people, yeah. We're there outside. Look, market's closed up and we there, Segway. Yeah? You right, yeah? How comes you in the chair?
Exactly, now you think you're too big for that chair. Right there. Hello.
Why are you in the chair then?
Because we're having fun.
Look, we're having fun together.
Come on.
No, we're having fun together.
Let's go.
No, wait, you're not in a buggy though. Are you not serious? Huh?
We're bored.
No,
Look at egg up in our face.
Wait.
You ruined my day, bud. I hope you have a fun day.
Bless them. Bless them. Jump back in. Jump back in. Croydon people, yeah. We just had maybe what? It's a 18-year-old, 16-year-old baby in a buggy.
It's the good vibes of Croydon.
This is the good vibes of Croydon people, yeah. 16-year-old in a buggy. Good vibes. Joseph, good vibes. Yes, people. Can you see behind us what's going on right there, yeah? All right, so we finished right now. Oi, mate. All right, everything's good, said we. All right, cool. Yeah, so look, it's a mad thing. What's that you got there?
Again, huh?
Adam, what you got there?
All good, man.
What's that? What you got there?
Solid pallet full of pallets, man.
Pallets. Get the words out. Wait, a trolley full of pallets or a pallet full of pallets?
Trolley full of pallets, brother, for the fire.
Good vibe. Trolley full of pallets for the fire. That is it, people. Yeah, good vibes. Fingers, thumbs. Merry Christmas. That is it, people. Yeah, we're outside. This is what happens. Oi. The day continues, you know. We finished cooking, but I have to give you the behind the scenes, people. Yeah, our good vibes.
Oh shit, we're holding up traffic.
Our view couldn't have no engine. Nah. Hey, Lucky, what you doing over there? I thought you meant to be helping. Our view couldn't have no engine. We're Fred Flintstone in it, and you're Barney Rubble, and you're all the way over there. Huh?
Am I that bad of a driver?
Yeah.
Oh, you disrespect me now, man. I'm not that bad of it. I'm quicker than the tram.
A good vibe, people. We outside with the kitchen. Yeah.
We got the correct thing on the roundabout now.
We have traveling the kitchen. More traffic coming ahead. I'm getting myself up here. Hey, big truck coming, indicator. Amazon.
That thing's bigger than me.
No, bro.
Right.
I got that one, Adam.
Yeah, go on, that's all good.
Was this dropped out your pocket? Oh, no, nothing.
Nothing, it's a bollock.
Yeah.
Right, there's no noise. Right.
He's gonna get one.
Right, load it up.
Like we're all getting one.
Load it. Push it a bit forward. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. Fucking mate, what are you doing?
Yeah, but that's not gonna.
That'll do.
Adam's gone with some pallets.
Who wants to see this one?
You. I'm dragging this one. He said who? Like, lucky. You're not that lucky today. You have to carry that one. He said he's taking this one. Adam, I'm right behind you. Oh shit. Just drag it now because we're here now. You just drag it. Take the smaller one. Let me. Good stuff. That's it. Yes, people, yeah. So what we're doing right now, yeah. Lucky's homeless, and this other guy that's with us, he's also homeless. So what we're doing, we're setting them up for the night in the sanctuary. Innit, Adam?
Hey, mate, safe haven, home is home.
Safe haven.
We're getting home.
So, our good vibes.
Oh.
So what we're doing, we're breaking up some pallets right now, people, yeah? Our good vibes, big up yourself, everybody. Yeah, man, we're outside, said we. Yeah. Just break that one apart. Put the in the thing there.